Hey everybody, I'm Sully with 3D Dentist. I'm a 3D Dentist ambassador, and I have the privilege of getting to help alongside some of my fellow colleagues, Dr. Eric Ballou, Hutain Shahidi, and Dr. Tarun Agarwal, teaching the sleep apnea for the 3D practice.
One of the things I really like about this course is that we integrate the medical billing component with the clinical component into the course.
The beauty of it is we break it down. We break it down into breakout groups. So we have the front office learning about medical billing, how to pay for it, how to do payment plans for it. We have the assistants and hygienists learning how to discuss it with patients, create that urgency and awareness. And ultimately now we have a great workflow where the dentist can learn how to do a complete digital appliance through the OptiSleep.
It wasn't until I came out here and had Tarun really shake things up for me and remove some of the hurdles that I was creating for my patients that I was able to really proceed and help a lot more people.
It's been a privilege to be here because I actually came to this course a year ago. And before I'd taken the course, I had done about 5 to 6 appliances. After taking the course, bringing my team, getting them involved, we did 96 appliances last year in just 8 months. And there's very few courses that I believe in and see where you can take something that you learn on the weekend, implement it right on Monday, and have that kind of success.
On Monday, your team will know how to start screening for sleep apnea, how to talk to patients about sleep apnea, how to deal with the financials of sleep apnea, and how to do medical billing. Now, whether that's doing it on your own, and you learn that from one of the breakouts that we do at this course.
And ultimately now we have a great workflow where the dentist can learn how to do a complete digital appliance through the OptiSleep.
One of the things that we ask all of our attendees to do is to bring their teams. Not only bring their clinical team in terms of the hygienist or the assistants, but also to bring the front office staff. And certainly we cover the medical billing component in this course, and we also cover the overall practice management part of it. How do we talk to our patients? How do we treatment plan it? How do we schedule it? If the patient doesn't have medical insurance, what tools do we use to still convince them that this is something they need and that's something they should accept as treatment?
But once you get them to say yes to something that can really help and shape their lives, you start to impact people, like my own wife. The next day, almost 2 days later after a sleep appliance, she woke up and said, "Do your other patients dream like this?" And then the next week, "I can't believe how good I feel." Now that she's treated, her airway is not collapsing 12 times an hour. She feels fantastic. She wakes up a half an hour before I do, and I wake up early to go to work. And she's wanting to exercise. And she's able to stay up through movies with me. I love that her heart is not working extra when it's supposed to be resting. I love that she has more energy to be with me and the family. And I love that she's dreaming, so it's been a wonderful experience.
That's one of the wonderful things about sleep apnea therapy, is that it really impacts our patients' lives. We're helping people live longer, we're helping people feel better, we're helping couples get together more, we're helping people change their relationships with their family and work coworkers. It's making such an impact in our practices' lives. And by making an impact in those around you, you impact yourself. I highly encourage you to consider sleep apnea therapy for your practice. I hope you choose 3D Dentist for that sleep apnea training.